Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing looking bun updo in literal seconds with just a scrunchie. If you have fine hair like me, the most important part of this bun is going to be curling your hair. This bun is designed to be done with curls in your hair. It is perfect if you spent all this time curling your hair and then you hate how it looks, but you still have to look cute. Or you could just curl your hair to create this bun, which I definitely do as well. And you can check out the video here to see how I got these curls in my hair, but I just used my 1-inch Mica curling wand. And after I was done my curls, I have applied a bunch of this Design Me, Puff Me powder into my hair just to create a lot of texture. It's all through my roots as well, and that is also going to help my hair hold this style. So you're going to take a scrunchie. You want to make sure that you like the scrunchie and that the scrunchie matches your outfit, because you might see a little bit of the scrunchie. You might not, but if you do see it, you don't want it to clash. I like these satin scrunchies I get off Amazon. They are in my Amazon storefront, and they come in a pack of like 60, so they just are endless color options for me. So first you're going to put your hair up into a high ponytail in your hand. So I try not to brush my hair once it's up. I just kind of finger comb everything. Don't worry at this point about it looking perfect, because it's not supposed to, and it's going to be loose anyways. And now we're going to pull out any hairs that we want out. And I want quite a bit of hair out around my face, because that is the look that I like. Maybe not that quite that much. Once you are happy with your hairs that are out, you're going to take your scrunchie and you're just going to start with a ponytail. If you need to wrap it a few times because your hair is thinner, that's fine. I'm just going to do twice, and then we're just going to pull through a little bun loop like that, and we're going to start to pull the bun loop apart. Now I'm also going to loosen the base here of my ponytail so that I have nice fluffy hair. But as I pull my bun apart, I'm also going to let some of the ends come out. And because my hair is curled, those ends that are coming out are also going to be curls. And you can pull out as many or not as many as you want, or none at all. And I'm just going to pull all of that apart and create this shape getting bigger and bigger. And I really don't have a ton of hair, and you can see just how big I'm able to get this bun. And the way that it holds its shape is because we put all of that dry texture spray in when we started. And it's all of that dry texture spray that is helping our hair really hold that shape. So there we go. That was literally it. It's so fast. It's so cute. It looks adorable every time. It looks like you put in so much more effort than you actually did. I hope that helps. I hope this gives you an idea of a way you can wear your hair the next time you have somewhere fun to go, or if you have some day-old curls or some curls that are just not turning out the way you wanted to. Well, this is a great way to still get some life out of all that effort. So follow me and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I do post 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok, DIY Hair School, for daily content as well. Bye guys.